Kia ora koutou. I believe that the women's suffrage petition is a very important part of our nation's history, and I'm very grateful for the people that fought for my right to vote. What I don't understand is why it is just thrown in with Te Tiriti or Waitangi on exhibition. What is the significance of that document to our nation's founding document, I ask you?
Hi, my name's Louis Jones, and I've recently discovered that my great-great-grandmother signed the women's suffrage petition, so it's really neat to find a personal connection, and it's made me keen to do a bit more research and possibly do a biography for her. I think that'd be really neat.
We think that women should be allowed to vote, and we're very thankful that we are now.